Hi, and welcome to PAD 520 Week 5. The purpose of this video is to review the requirements for Assignment 2. It is due next Monday night, 11:59 p.m. Grab your syllabus and read along with me, make some notes, and do highlight. I got highlights all over mine, and I'm the teacher. Well, you need to review chapters 3 and 8. These will be fairly easy. These are the chapters that we went over to create the argument maps. Second, you need to choose a current public policy issue: gun control, violent crime, white collar crime, child trafficking, healthcare, job creation. There's a list for you that's in your syllabus, or you can choose your own. Make sure that this issue has legs. Make sure that it is plausible and something current and something where ongoing arguments are heard every single day. Okay, so let's get to what is required. Go to number 1. You're going to create, number 1, another argument map. So your paper is going to open with an argument map, a 5 to 6 page paper. This does not include your title page. Okay, I do not need an abstract. I need an introduction of the issue. And then your argument map. 2, this time you're going to look and rate the assumptions. So your arguments and your rebuttals that's in your argument map, you're going to mentally rate them, because when you get down to number 6, you're going to have to write them down. So rate them in order of their plausibility and importance. What do I mean by plausibility? The likelihood of it happening. Okay? The likelihood of an issue having legs. Number 3, really simple, we just talked about it. Determine which arguments are the most plausible. Which ones are most likely to happen? More important. Number 4, you need to create a stakeholder analysis, and you can find an example of this in Chapter 3, Box 3.0, conducting a stakeholder analysis. So you're going to generate a list of stakeholders who are affected indirectly or directly by the problems or the issue that you chose above in your argument map. Number 5, you're going to create a horizontal axis. You remember those 6th grade geometry where we have a straight line, 0 in the middle, and then 1 to 5 on this side and 1 to 5 on this side, 1 being most important, 5 being the least important. You're going to create that axis and you're going to place your stakeholders in there. Which stakeholder has most to lose? Which ones have most to gain? Pick a side. Your ones that have most to lose may go on the left. The one have most to gain may go on the right. Now, the axis could be lopsided because you could only have 3 stakeholders with opposing issue and 7 on one side. So look at your axis. So it may not be a 1 to 5 with 0 being in the middle. The axis can be lopsided. All right, and you can do this in Excel, PowerPoint, Microsoft Word, however you do it. Now, when you create your axis, it's going to grow legs. So you're going to put the issues and possibly the stakeholders' name down there on the line graph. Okay. Number 6 is where we write this all out. You are to begin with which arguments are the most plausible in your issue. So you're going to take and dissect your argument map and put it in written form. And then you're going to answer some questions about your stakeholders. Okay, A, does the line graph flatten out? Do you have more to one side than the other? Or is it an even 1 to 5, 1 to 5 with 0 being in the middle? If so, after how many stakeholders did your line graph flatten out? How many stakeholders do you have in this? C, what conclusions can be drawn about the policy problems in the issue? Okay, here's where you're wrapping it all up and you're doing your summary. All right, and of course you're going to end it with giving me at least 2 peer-reviewed references, at least 2. Can't emphasize that more. So you see, the assignment is not that complicated. It just has several steps like assignment 1. So have some fun with it. Be creative. There's no right or wrong way, but I do want you to meet all the objectives in the assignment, okay? See you on Monday night. Bye-bye.